I received a request to do a trigonometry problem. So today we're going to look at this. Which of the following is the sine of angle A in the right triangle below? So we have a right triangle, and it's labeled with each of the angles at the corners as A, B, and C. We have side lengths of 5 kilometers and 12 kilometers, and the hypotenuse is 13 kilometers. So in order to find sine, that's one of our trigonometric values, and a common mnemonic that people use, I don't know if it's actually mnemonic, a common saying that people use to remember the trig functions is Sohcahtoa. So let's write that out. Sohcahtoa. Sohcahtoa is helpful because it represents that sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, the cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. So our hypotenuse will always be 13. It's across from the right angle in our right triangle. But the opposite and the adjacent are always changing. So for this problem, we were asked about sine. And sine is always going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So when I look at angle A, and I want to know which value is its opposite, I'm going to draw an arrow straight out of A across the triangle to the opposite side. So I can see the opposite of A is 12. So when I do sine of A, that value is 12 divided by the hypotenuse. And we know that for our right triangle, the hypotenuse will always be the longest side that is across from the right angle. So in this case, it's 13. So the sine of A is 12 divided by 13. If you have a homework question or would like help with a math problem, you can add it in the comments.